All right, good morning. It's 6:10 in the morning on Monday morning, heading down to Little Rock. Supposed to load and go to Ardmore this morning, but I might have to stop and get inspection on the trailer at the yard before I do that. That's why we're going a little early, because my appointment's not till like 11:20 or something, but we'll see how it works out. I might not get the inspection today, but probably will. But start to a new week, start to a new trend on the video, so hey, first things first, you guys watch these videos, give it a thumbs up, and start from there. And I'd like to hear from you guys, you other drivers. I'd like to know who out there is like a Monday through Saturday kind of guy like me, or Monday through Friday guy kind of like me, and how many of you guys do over the road. And if you guys do over the road, put in the comments down below how long you stay out. Let's just do a little comparison. I'd like to see that. Anyway, we're gonna get started for the day and get a little video going, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Made it down here to Little Rock. Load got changed, not going to Ardmore anymore, going to go to Dangerfield. Apparently this was a load that was left over from the weekend. That happens sometimes. Not very many trucks down here, so hopefully we can get in and out of here pretty quick. Generally speaking, get a load like this down in Dangerfield, unless there's grain coming back to the yard, we generally just run back empty and load again here at 3 a.m. or load around Little Rock somewhere. But who knows? Sometimes that's the way it works out. But anyway, just a thing. I I was noticing one of the guys in the comments.
10246. West End. 10246. West End.
Not me. One of the guys in the comments mentioned he was from Vancouver, British Columbia, and there's some things I can look at in my YouTube account that'll say, where everyone's from and what are the countries. It's kind of amazing to me. It sees like there's a couple from Africa, a couple subscribers from Africa, which is kind of funny. But in the comments, if you guys wouldn't mind, so you guys can see it too, where are you guys from? Where are you from in the U.S.? I'd especially like to know if you're from a different country. That'd be kind of cool to know. And just put those comments in there. That'd be great if you do that. But anyway, we're going to get loaded and probably catch a little more footage on the road, maybe not much, and get a little bit over down in Dangerfield when we get there, and probably end the video for the day for that. But that's it for now. So we're going to chill here for a bit till we get loaded and go to Dangerfield. All right. Talk to you in a bit. Okay, got down to Dangerfield here, and I probably got an hour to hour and a half before I get empty. So I'm just going to end the video here. That way, hopefully I can get it just all downloaded and edited real quick while I'm sitting here and send it out, and we'll do some more tomorrow. But the plan tomorrow is actually going back up to Little Rock tonight to load to go to Oklahoma City. So that's what's in the agenda tomorrow. So we'll probably put out another video here in the next couple of days. Probably won't be tomorrow unless I get delayed over there. Then I might do one again. So I'll do another video. I'll get content every day, but try to get a video out 2 or 3 times a day, or 2 or 3 times a week. I'm sorry, but that's it for now. And remember, the videos, make sure you guys give a thumbs up at the end or at the beginning, whatever you like. Make sure you give some comments, react to other people's comments, and help the algorithm out. And remember, if you're looking to come to Oakley, please give me a shout. You can contact me via this YouTube feed and make a comment and let me know you need to contact me. My email's in the description of the video, and it should be at the beginning and the end of every video. So until next time, you guys take it easy.